Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys just my simple regimen that I do for my deep condition. In this video, I've already washed and actually added the conditioner in my hair. And you can use whatever deep conditioners work best for you. I started out by taking small sections and detangling them with just a comb. I had already detangled my hair with my Denman brush before I shampooed, which if you guys would like a video of how I detangle my hair, just let me know in the comments below. But I just start with a section and I take that and I detangle it. The hair is already saturated with conditioner, so once I do that, I just go ahead and twist it. Now we're twisting my hair in order to preserve some of my elasticity. I don't know if any of you guys are like me, but I'm around like the 3C, 3B hair, and I have a tendency of, my curls being elongated, and sometimes I like that bounce back. So this deep condition method helps your hair elasticity and get that curl bouncing, show a little bit of that shrinkage that we don't normally get to see with our type of wave. But right now, I'm just working on the back of my hair. Like I said, I started by detangling from the ends to the roots. It's already saturated with conditioner. And I went ahead and just twisted over my entire head. Once you're done twisting over your full head, you'll go ahead and sit with the processing cap for about 20 minutes. You can sit under heat or you can sit without. I didn't do any heat. And then actually, after I went ahead and sat with my processing cap, I rinsed out my hair with the twist still in. And these are pictures of my finished product of my hair. And then I will be styling it next. But this is one way to help preserve some of your hair's elasticity and help with those extra bouncing those curls without necessarily using a bunch of products. Thanks for watching, guys. Also, if you have any suggestions on any videos, tips, leave me messages in the comments below. Also, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.